Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking methods? Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus, your new go-to for incredibly versatile and easy meals. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's an absolute game changer, combining 9 appliances into one, from slow cooking and sautéing to making yogurt and sterilizing. Imagine freeing up counter space and simplifying your meal prep, whether you're making quick weeknight dinners or gourmet weekend feasts. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can literally set it and forget it, cooking anything from perfectly fluffy rice to tender roasts with a push of a button. It takes the guesswork out of cooking, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike looking for the best kitchen appliance. And cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the premium food-grade stainless steel inner pot, which is durable, healthy, and dishwasher safe. This model truly stands out with its enhanced safety features and intuitive controls, offering an unmatched cooking experience for any home. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking game and find the best Instant Pot deal, check out the Amazon link in the description below. It's an essential kitchen tool that will transform how you prepare food, saving you time and effort every single day. For anyone looking to buy a powerful, versatile, and reliable multi-cooker in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my absolute top recommendation.